Alrighty. Well, right now I'm going to demonstrate to you the power of converting any type of a file, be it Notepad or CSV or Excel, into another format. Well, the first step I'm going to take is I'm going to open up the file right now, a Notepad file, and I'm going to show you just how simple it is to convert a Notepad CSV file into an actual spreadsheet, so you can import it into a spreadsheet. It's pretty neat. If you notice, while it's crunching, I'll sit here and wait and see what comes up. It's going to give me a dialog box. The dialog box is going to ask me a question or two, and the questions will look like, for example, will these files be delimited, or are they a fixed width? Well, we want them to be delimited. Well, there it goes right there. If you see the dialog box, it's right here. It's delimited. I'm going to push next. When I push next, what type of delimiters do I have? Tab, semicolon, comma, space, or other. The program Excel is going to default and tell you that it's tab. It's going to default and tell you however these things are separated. Are these tab separated values, semicolon separated values, comma separated values, or space separated values, or other? Well, it's tab and it already knows it, so I'm going to push next. Now that I've pushed next, I can see the separations look great. They're perfect. Now I'll push finish and the file is open. What now? Well, now, of course, I'm going to click between the columns so that I can open up the columns and see what's in them. Double click. There I go, the name. Double click between B and C. I have the phone number. Double click between C and D and I have the fax. Double click, of course, between the next file, which is the email address, and I have that right in front of my face. That's how easy it is to actually open a file that's normally a notepad that looks like a lot of scrambled characters. Now I'm going to show you how to save it into what we call a CSV format. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down from this dialog box. It asks me to save as type. I'm looking for CSV, which stands for comma separated values. And guess what? I'm going to save and see what happens. Fantastic. It already exists. I know it because I've already done this in another tutorial. So yes, I want to save over top. Yes. Now that I'm done, I'm going to attempt to close out. And what's going to happen is this format's going to tell me that it's going to ask me if I want to save it again. There's no reason to because I've already saved it. So I'm going to say no. That's it. That's how you open a file in Excel that is Notepad and convert it to any type of file you want right there.